Guys, how you doing? Good morning. Hope you had a great day, an exciting weekend. Welcome to the Designing with Canva mini course. My name is Gilead Obona, and I will be your coach. This is going to take a couple of minutes, actually few. So I'm just going to get it as let's get the show on the road, shall we? All right, great. Now, so Canva is a great tool, and it's one that I've used for quite a while now, and I just felt it was time for me to show you guys how it works, because I found out that a whole lot of persons would want to or should be in a position to provide very amazing solutions, but because of their limitations with design, it's a challenge. So that's the reason for this course. So this is what we would be going through during the course of this course. Yeah, during the course of this course. All right, so we're going through the overview of Canva, creating your first design, customizing designs, dealing with the watermark, and then on to the road to mastery. So let's get straight to the first topic. So overview, what is Canva for? Well, simple and short story. Canva essentially allows you to create designs, and it's, in my opinion, one of the best, I guess, simplest design apps out there, because it allows you to generally get stuff done that fast. So for me, that's what makes it pretty exciting. Here's something exciting that might just get you go like, wow. Now this particular slide you're going through, or I'm walking you through at the moment, you see how cool it is, right? Guess where it was designed with, or what it was designed with? You guessed right, Canva. All right, so let's just go to the back end and let me just walk you through how all of this thing works. Okay, so Canva is just an app that you just need to download from the App Store. If you're using your Android device, if you're on an iPhone, you would want to be using the iPhone store, the App Store, to download it. Okay, so on Android Play Store, on iPhone App Store. So you go there, download the app. It's going to be spelled Canva. You can see it here on the second row at the bottom somewhere. So I'm just going to open the app so that I'm just going to walk you through how it works. It's a very amazing tool. Okay, typically Canva is designed on the premise that you want to design something, but the time you're going to spend trying to come up with the entire concept is probably going to be a long one. So to make it easy, you're better served, right, being in a position where you just pick any template or any ready-made design. So that's what a template is, a ready-made design. Pick any ready-made design, insert your own content, edit the pictures or the colors and the text, and then you download and you're ready. So typically it means that you can actually have a design done in a minute, in 2 minutes, in 5 minutes, depending on the complexity of what you want to do. So just to give you a good idea, I'm not going to walk through the entire thing in this series. I'm just going to give you a good idea of how it works. So I'm just going to use something very pretty simple and basic so that you just see how it works. All right. Before I do that, actually, just take a quick glance of some of the designs I've done on Canva. Something exciting about Canva is, like I said, you can do just about anything. So if you see this particular design here, this one with the yellow, this is actually a PowerPoint presentation. Believe it or not, it is a PowerPoint presentation done on Canva. So if you've seen most of my designs lately and you're like, these are cool, yep, they are done with Canva. Yes, sir. All right, so let's just go back to the back end. So I'm just going to do something very simple so that you see how this works. So first step, like I said, pick a particular design template. Okay, it's already ready made. All you just need to do is edit, change text. So I'm just going to tap on this and then insert a text. So it's a great day. I'm not spelling that right. It's a great day to be alive, right? So let's exclamation point, and done, right? Let's add something else. I'm just going to use this plus button at the bottom right here and tap on the text feature or the text tool. Okay, and then I'm going to add text. Now you could actually select any of the templates here or styles, but I generally use this. I'm going to explain that probably later today or subsequently. So I'm going to hit on tap text. It's just going to zoom in like that, but don't worry, we can move it around. So I'm just going to say this quote is by moi. So I'm just going to go with art. Gilead. Open now. And then I'm just going to drag down. So notice that I'm using this drag tool, the circle in the four lines in the circle. I'm not sure what to describe them as. Now you can actually just move things around. So I'm just going to tap on, you see that small dot at the bottom right of the box. I'm just going to tap on it to drag so that it will allow me create space. Okay, so I can now move him there. Now I can actually increase this guy's size by tapping on the number and dragging, and he is bigger. Yes, so let's do something about this color. So let's change color green here to a color something. Let's go with blue. You can actually change to any color, just like that. Boom, boom, boom. Right now, we're going to talk about a couple of stuff much later, but even this guy at the background, which has the trees, actually we can actually make this a bit transparent. So notice that I'm using this transparency tool here. See what's happening there. Oh, Canva is cool. All right, so I'm not liking this color anyway, so let's go blue. Okay, and yeah, okay, let's just filter this out so that it makes more sense. Yeah, cool. All right, and just like that, we have done a custom design. So what's left here now is download with that button at the top there, and I can share. Once I can share, anybody gets to see my design and they're like, hey, this guy is good, his design is great, and we are good. Makes sense? All right, so that really is how Canva works. Okay, you can create as many designs as you want, and guess what, you can create all of them for free. That's what's exciting. You can create all of them for free. So that's really why I find myself talking about Canva like every day. Don't get me wrong, I use CorelDRAW a lot, I use Photoshop a lot, but man, lately I ain't got nobody better than Canva. All right, so feel free to download the app if you've not done that, because in the next 4 days I'm going to share you a couple of more tips you could use to just generally do any kind of design you would like to do, and then hopefully you would get a good hand on how it works. Okay, all right, so without much ado, I'ma see you on the other side. So tomorrow we're going to be going to the next topic on the series, creating your first design. So in that particular series, okay, I'm going to hold off what we're going to do tomorrow. So get Canva downloaded, and get cracking. See you on the other side.